you're a web developer or you're just a user civilian, have you noticed this strange pattern? You open a website for the first time, and before you even read anything, boom, a box appears on your screen. Accept cookies. But one interesting fact about cookies is, cookies are not viruses. And of course, for a user civilian watching this and don't know anything about website development, cookies are not food. Most of the cookies you see on a website are not even dangerous to you. Then, if this is the case, why does almost every website stop you at the door of a website to accept or reject cookies? 20 years ago, websites never asked. They simply watch you quietly. They remember what you clicked on, where you came from, and what you liked. Nobody will tell you that they know all that information about you, meaning nobody will ask for permission to collect your data. Then people found out. Government reacted, big fines followed, trust collapsed. The internet had to change its behavior fast. Now, every website must make a clear choice. It either explains what it's going to collect from you or it risks serious punishment. Now, that small pop-up you see on a website is not about politeness. It's about control, responsibility, and survival. In the next few minutes, you'll understand who benefits, who loses, and what that small accept button really means. Most importantly, you'll stop clicking blindly and start deciding with confidence. Cookies are like tiny memory nodes website leaves on your browser. What it does is, it remembers you and the minor activities you did on that website. Example is how online shops like Amazon and Jumia remembers the item you inserted in a cart for a longer period. One of the common traps people fell into is people think because cookies can remember your activities, then you start thinking cookies can even read your files. Well, it cannot. Ask yourself, what does this site really need to remember about me? Let me hear the first thing that came to your mind in the comment section. Let's see if we're on the same track here. In the years back, what website does is, they collect your data without you even knowing what is happening. But now, website must now ask you for permission before storing anything about your personal data, or should I say, the activities you did on that specific website. Like the link you clicked on, the number of times you scrolled, all those minor activities, how did you do it on that website? Do you think a site will still function even without asking a permission from you? Yes or no? Let me hear it in the comments below. I believe you know what cookies banner is, right? Well, if you don't, or you're confused, calm. You know it, but you just didn't understand what I meant. Cookie banners are those pop-up boxes that appear on a website when you visit, asking you to accept or reject cookies. That is cookies banner. We just prefer using the word banner instead of box. They mainly exist just to protect websites from legal punishment from the government. By now, you might be thinking that when a banner appears to you on a website to accept or reject the cookies, it's optional for a website. Well, they are not. Else, you'll face fines. Even the European GDPR fines is reaching millions now. Now you must be thinking, is this about service to you as the user or a safety to them as the website? Let's break it down. Cookies turn silent striking into an open agreement between the website and the user civilian. Because transparency builds trust. Do you know that many websites survive by learning user behavior through cookies? When I mean survive, I mean earn money. A user visits the website, data collection started through cookies. What you clicked on, how long you stayed, what interested you. Immediately the website gets that information, ads become valuable. The website doesn't show you random ads. They show you ads based on the data and based on the way you interacted with that website. Now, money flows. To you, when you're using a website that is free, it means it is costless. But no, you're actually paying it with your own data. So is this a fair trade for you? Let me hear what you feel about this trade in the comment section below. If you're someone that is willing to get started into web development, for the foundation of web development, HTML and CSS is the fundamentals. I have a mentorship program on Udemy that takes you from beginner to pro in HTML and CSS. If you're someone that's interested, there's a link in the description. Check my bio or you can DM me directly. Any approach you take, I'm still there. A cookie bar is like a small text file saved on your browser. It works like a sticky note. It does not spy on you, it just remembers simple facts about the activities you did on that website. Imagine it like a shopkeeper who forgets you every 5 seconds. No cards, no login, no language preference. That's where cookies comes in and solve the problem. The reality is, without cookies, most modern websites will just break. Let me give you a 60 seconds exercise. Think of one site you use daily. At least 3 things it remembers about you that you don't need to keep inserting every time you want to use that website. Let me hear the answers in the comment section. So because of the rules set by the government, it forces websites to be honest. It's either website adapt fast or they pay heavily. This is risk management, not kindness. The reality is one bad setup can shut down an entire business. But do you notice how some banners are detailed? That detail is called fear. The small pop-up you see on a website is not an annoyance. It is a signal to you. Now you know what it means. You control the click. Hey, if you have been trying to learn web development but HTML and CSS keep confusing you, then this is for you. I have put together a complete HTML and CSS course that takes you from zero to building a real website step by step. No boring theories, just projects and clear explanation. Some of the insight you will get from this course, you're going to have a clear lesson that breaks everything down for you. You're also going to work with real projects that you can actually add to your portfolio. Not just that, you're going to get tips and best practice that pro developers use. And one of the best part is you're going to get access to Code Dev Academy Discord community, which you're going to use it to get help whenever you're stuck. So if you've been looking for one place that gives you everything to master HTML and CSS with confidence, then this course is that package. Start learning today and keep building from here. The link is in the description box.